Yeah, out here at beautiful Shasta Lake, right in California. First time fishing with Roger, owner of Tug Life. He's already on the water. We just launched. Any fish can get it. Let's get on the spotted bass, largemouth bass, crappie in here, and also trout if there's any left. So let's go. Right there. Got the Toro eyewear right there.
Let's get it. Tug Life, baby. Slapping. AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something. AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something. My fishing game never sloppy. I'm on the boat with my homie slaying crappie. You can't stop me. My flow's on caffeine like I'm sipping coffee. I hit the block with my GoPro and my whole posse. All my homies steady yanking, this that Tug Life. Putting in major work and head back to the wife. Catching cook at the crib with the kids. Chef Boyardee, homie, y'all know what it is. I'm on the surf, I'm on the turf, I'm steady yanking. 4 rods on the caddy, yeah, I'm steady banking. My rod game never lacking. I'm stacking up fish while I'm casting. Homie, this that Tug passion, I'm really slapping. Old school with that 808 smashing. Catch me on garage band, hitting that MIDI tapping. I'm fishing, I'm rapping, I'm putting it down. Yo, ain't never heard this how the real sound. FCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something. AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something. Johnny Morris on the seat, pulling up with major heat. Largemouth assassin, always slapping through the street. Yanking largemouth every chance that I get. From LB to San Ho, I stay ripping lips. Moving real with the spits. AFCG, I stay hooking fish, always hooking new species. I'm on the hunt for big fish when I mob through. My Power Pro braided line when I slide through. I got about 10 rods in my trunk. Speakers turned up, so you know my bass slump. I got big fish on my mind when I grind. Gotta get them on the line, set the hook every time. Then I wipe down my pen battle. Jump back in the ride and let my trunk rattle. AFCG all the time, I got fish on my mind, homie, I stay tugging. AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something. AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something. Fresh fade, Toro shades, Tug Life apparel. Speakers jumping out the box when I hit the block, bass knock. Fresh pair of Dickies with them classic Reeboks. Crease down to the socks, got this game on lock. Swim baits got fresh knots. Fluorocarbon leaders on the main line, hunting for spots. Throwing out my bait along the bank by the rock. Slaying bass around the clock, my fish game don't stop. Hit the bait with some fresh hallies. Crab snaring off the pier, homie, this is Killer Cali. Hit the beach for some perch. I wanna murk every fish that lurks, let me get him on that jerk. Then I switch it up to rainbows. Lures only, but I never hit them with the same bait though. I'm steady putting in work, you can't stop my shine, homie. Yeah, I stay tugging. AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something. AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something.
felt good. That one felt like he was tugging. Fish on.
It works, huh?
Works. Fish on, baby. Ooh. Tugging. He's tugging, baby.
AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something. AFCG, so I stay tugging. Old school, homie, so I stay bumping. Producing all these slaps, so the speaker steady slumping. Yeah, I'm away to the fishing hole, about to pull something.
This Bass Pro tournament one. Look at that. That drop shot. It is, baby. Catch and release. Cool one too. First cast over there by that tree, baby, like you said. Let's go. Even on the short leader. Look at that short leader, and he still hit it. Damn.
I know, huh?
They're not picky, you know? They're not picky. So give me the short leader. I'll hit that too.
That weight's perfect, huh?
And this one stays on the hook more because it's a thicker bait.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Ooh, good spot.
There's a lot of fish down there, dude.
Good spot right here. Fish on, baby.
Oh, God, dude.
Fish on the drop.
Ooh. I'm
Tugging. Tug light, baby. Tugging.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
That one, dude.
Yeah, baby. Johnny Morris out here putting in work at Shasta Lake on these spotties. Woo! Another one.
Dude, I think I'm just gonna
Look at that. Look at that.
Give me the camera. I'll just
Beautiful.
film you do it.
Cameraman. This is what it.
I don't mind doing it.
Woo!
I'll give you a good angle of you doing it. Here,
Okay.
give me that one.
Dang. Mm-hmm.
Oh, after that.
I like this one right here. I like this one right here. I've been hooking them good too, bro. Remember I was telling you the new hook is sticking them. Out here, baby. Out here with Roger, putting me on these spotties all day. You know, this cove, tugging.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's see. Can hold it.
Yep. I'm gonna record you now.
Okay.
Get him a different angle, you know.
All right.
Right there. Go do your thing.
Here. Catch and release, baby.
Do your thing. Oh my God, that's money, bro. Be ready.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. So, there we go. Fish on.
Smaller one, but hey,
Hey, it's a fish.
this is a fish, baby. Hooking up. Hooking up on that drop shot.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that perfect hook set. Beautiful fish. Catch and release, baby.
Get another one.
Oh, this thing holds on perfect, bro.
Longer, huh?
It's stronger than that other zoom shot.
Yep.
It's holding on.
That's the one right there.
Holding on, bro.
So get some at bassproshop.com.
Short leader, too. A little buster. Probably was a smallie. Small one. Try to get him
Hopefully you
again.
drop it on the bed and catch a fucking 10-pounder, dude. Damn.
That'll be
Never
sick,
know.
bro. That would be.
You never know.
Bad fish? What's on, baby?
Number 58. Oh shit.
Yeah. That was a fatty.
Yeah. Hold it up, let me see. There you go.
Yeah.
That's right.
All day, baby. Hey, wait a minute. What is this one? Hold on. This one looks different, bro. Is it a
Maybe
spotty?
a hybrid. It's a small end of fucking
Look at the stripes down, going down.
yeah,
It's a hybrid.
Yeah, it's hybrid. Hybrid.
All right. First hybrid of the day. It looks like a spotty and a smallmouth, right?
Yep.
Together.
It's called mean mouth, I think.
Mean mouth or something like that. It's a smaller one, but I'm trying to catch, all day I've been catching spotties, and I'm trying to catch my first smallmouth. This is close to it. Let's go ahead and release this guy. Like the fourth or fifth fish out of that hole, bro. Damn. Oh boy, not that school. Yes, sir. I'm gonna keep throwing it in that hole. Get that Betty. Betty on the netty. Uh-huh. Okay. Is it something about the size, something about these baits that these fish want?
Yeah, it's the size, the profiles, that kick, the cut tail.
Everything about this bait, they love it. It's a matter of time that we catch a double digit, a big one, something. We're catching smaller ones all day, but it's been having fun.
Better than being skunked.
My buddy said I caught about 50 already. Maybe I could catch 100 today if we keep going. Let's go.
That's how it's looking so far. You're on your way there, dude. Got so much. Bro, you're catching like 10 each tree, bro. 10, 20, 30, 50, 60.
Catching 10 a tree, baby. Let's go.
Call it 10 a tree. Mr. 10 a tree.
Yeah, I don't want to leave. I'm like, let me throw it again. Let me throw it again. There's got to be another one.
Money right there.
Money right there, baby. Let's go. Even on the short leader too, I didn't think they were gonna hit it because the weight's so close.
I know.
And they
it's all
still
like
hitting it, bro.
6 inches and shit.
Ooh. Oh,
I go to show you like that bait is fucking working.
bro, he was on. And I felt him go on, and then I felt him go off, so I didn't hook him. But they're in that bush too over there.
Yeah, they're liking it off the bottom though, for sure, you know?
Try it again.
Got an idea. You cat's all the way back in there, but let me get close. You see that?
Fish
Got
on,
one.
baby.
No need to.
Fish on.
God damn!
Oh,
that gotta be
man.
60.
Fish on, baby. Fish on, fish on, fish on. All day. Fish on, a lot of catch and release.
Look, I'm gonna get you close, right? I want you to
Catch
cast.
and release, baby.
You see that channel on there?
Oh.
Let me get right up in there. Let me back you up.
Okay.
Fish that. Damn, see that shit back there yet, dude.
Yeah, because we've been casting like right in front of this trees.
Wait to see one back There.
Might be a bed back there. Might be a bed fish, baby. So we're gonna cast all the way in there. Right there?
Yep.
Money, baby. Let's go. Oh, fish on, dude. He got off. They're in the back, bro. He definitely hit it. Recast. Recast, bro. He hit that.
Recast, no. You turn it around. I'm gonna position you right on it.
This is so much footage. We can't even put this all in one video. It'll be like a freaking 2-hour long video, bro. We'll have to do an episode. We'll have to split it up in episodes, bro. Because it's too much.
Yeah.
It's just, we won't even put all the catches in there. They'll just have to believe us.
Oh, look at all those fish down there.
Where? You see them?
Through here. But yeah, go. Can you get it now?
Let's go.
Ugh.
Perfect. Come on, baby. I've had one bite on here, so.
Oh God, dude, roll that.
Fish on, baby.
All the way up.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah, don't let him. Oh God, dude, that's a good one.
It's stuck over there.
No.
Bring it back. I got him holding. Oh, he's right here. He's right here.
Oh God,
He's right here. He's tugging, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, size him up.
Oh, yeah. That's a big fish, bro.
It worked.
It's a bigger spotty.
Hey, it worked.
That's a bigger spotty, baby.
Have the same size like the other one. Yep.
Dang, bro. Dang.
Damn, bitch.
Relax.
You weren't going nowhere.
Bro. Just like you said, he was way in the back. Let's go ahead and weigh this one. I think he's bigger than that other one, bro.
Wait. Looks like a 113.
Look at he's peeing. Look at that. Peeing all over the boat, bro. You see him?
Yeah. Why are you peeing, homie? Huh?
Let's see. What do you think he is?
112 or 113?
$110, baby. All right, we're trying to beat, what was the other one?
114?
Oh, okay, so I got the other one was bigger then.
The other one's way bigger.
The other one was bigger that I caught, but it's still a good one. Good spotty. There it is, baby. Out here tugging. He was way in the back over there. It's probably another one then. Maybe this is the female, bro.
Yeah, do it again. Size them up.
Let's do it again. Let's just release. Trying to get 100 fish out here. Let's go. Dude, my thumb's tore up from them biting me. Fish on, fish on. Spotty.
Beautiful that is.
Good one, bro.
Woo-hoo.
You wanna weigh him?
Oh, he's probably like a 1.8. Oh, look at his stomach.
Oh, dang, got a gash.
Yeah, he got a guess. Either they were fighting or something was trying to eat him.
Yeah.
Chase them off.
Maybe a catfish. At the pillars, baby.
Catch and release.
Catch and release, baby.
Whew.
I'm gonna try your other one right here.
Yeah, that one's good. At least I have more for tomorrow, you know?
Yeah. Probably should go to the store and get some more of those KVD Bass Pro or something.
They have them at Bill's. Get him. Oh God, dude.
Fish on, baby.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's a good one? Feels like it.
Looks good. I don't know. It looks good. It don't look like a little dent.
Fish on, baby. Tugging.
God, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's, oh, God. Yeah, take a picture of that one too.
Fish on, baby.
That shit works, huh?
He won't even let me put my finger in his mouth.
Ah. Any fish could get it. Where's my phone at? I gotta put you on blast. Any fish could get it. It's huh? Tell him, hold on. Tell him who you are and what we doing. Hold on.
Yeah. Out here fishing for spotties. Tug life, baby. Tugging. Yeah. Any fish can get it. Let's go. Uh-huh. Spotties. Let's see yeah, so these are all gutted out. Cut the head off, tails off, scaled, and ready to get seasoned up. Spotted bass, my first time, you know, cleaning and cooking spotted bass. The homie Roger's gonna set up some seasoning here, and let's go.
With some seasonings, got some garlic salt, a little bit of that, and got some of this garlic. It's already pre-made, quick and easy. It's really good. You get a spoon. As you go, one each, you know. In the tummy.
Slab.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
The tummy.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit on top. Just like that. And you want to get your ground chili garlic oil. You can get these at the Asian store. Any Asian store, really. Next to the soup and seasoning aisle. These are kind of spicy, so you want to use like a teaspoon for flavor. Then on top. That should be good. Then you want like 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Just the crab fish sauce. You get them at the Asian store. Not too much. That's good. That's good enough. Then you want to get your ginger. I got some chopped gingers over here. You just want to start stuffing them like a turkey. Just like that. You want to get your cilantro.
Damn. There it is. That looks good, bro.
You want to get your Thai basil.
Thai basil.
Stuff it. Gives you really good flavor. And you got some green onions and more cilantro. Love bean sprouts.
Looks good, bro.
Make sure you get bottom there. Good. Yep. I think that should be good. You want to add a can of Modelo we'll top it off. We can steam this.
Yeah. There it is.
There's a Modelo.
Uh-huh.
The whole can.
That looks good.
Oh yeah. Cool. Then we're gonna wrap it up with foil, and we're gonna put it on medium low for about 15-20 minutes.
Medium low?
Yeah.
15-20 minutes, fish will be done.
Yep.
What else are you cooking?
I'm cooking bone sausage.
Ooh wee.
Right over here. You get them at the Asian store.
That looks good.
It's so good. This stuff is cilantro, ginger, lemongrass,
And some rice.
and we got some jasmine, Thai jasmine rice. And this will be done.
And we eating good, bro.
Oh yeah, that'll be done in another 15 minutes.
So our first time fishing together, how did we do, bro?
Oh, we killed it, man.
Yeah.
Over 100 fish.
That's what's up,
That
bro.
was nice.
Let's go.
And,
Shasta Lake.
Yeah, we'll do it again tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Tug
for
life.
videos.
You know, we're doing the tug life
Yeah.
music video shoot.
Tomorrow.
Any fish can get it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm on it. Look at that. Just those right there is fire. You know what I mean?
I made this a couple days. This is the Asian salsa, okay?
Oh my gosh.
Asian salsa.
Look at that. Bro, it just smells amazing, bro. It smells good, homie. Look at that. We're gonna grub right now. Let's put it all together. Taste test, homie. Chef Boyardee right there, bro.
Yeah, probably do when you come to my house.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
All right, here we go. There it is, all prepared.
Yep.
So I'm gonna take a bite. The homie's gonna take a bite, you know, and get the fish, get the rice,
Fries with the juice.
the juice,
Gotta have
everything.
Juice in it. The Modelo juice.
Look at that. That's fire.
So good.
That's fire.
You take all the herbs and everything.
First time eating spotted bass, and the first time eating it like this, and it's the bomb. Tug life, baby. Salsa. Oh my God. Sealed the deal right there. What is this salsa right here?
Out of limes, sugar,
Ooh.
fish sauce, cilantro, green onions, garlic, a little bit of lemongrass.
It is fire. All right, Tug Life. We out of here.
Yep.
Another slapper coming out the valley. I'm out here fishing, putting it down for Killer Cali. 209 casting out my line at the 4-bay. 168S waiver is my forte. I get up early just to smash these striped bass. Some I like to eat and some I like to throw back. I stay ripping some lip with CeeLo. These my folks, this fishing life, homie, ain't no joke. I'm at the dirt canal with San Luis. Me and Bass Butcher getting stewy on these stripers. Pull up to the aqueduct and I'm hooking up. Bait caster with the Shimano big hammer. Check the grammar, I'm from San Ho. Sick with the flow and you know I'm all go. I like to throw cut baits or swim baits, whatever it takes to get these striped bass on my fish plate. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassin. Fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassin. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassin. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins.
I do this year round, winter, spring, and fall. It's like I'm breaking the law. Catch so many fish that the cops get called. You can find me at the Louis where the hogs get hauled. Yeah, I haven't fished in 2 days, now my thumb's getting itchy. You know, Butcherino keep the Ganyas with me. My casting on point like an infrared beam. Butcher move mean, ocean to stream. Any fish can get it, dog. Have you ever caught a striped bass on a trout rod? I'll be fishing in the fall, hail, rain, and snow. I'm pedal to the metal when it's time to go. Butcher stay smashing, machine gun casting, swim bait assassin. All day, fishing is my passion. KVD Hook said I'm big bassin'. I keep a couple to eat, the rest to catch and release.
We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins. We fishing, we rapping, machine gun casting. We striper assassins.
Oh, it's a good one. Might be. I think it's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, shoot. It's a big one, bro. You got the net? Nice one. Big fish, baby. Yeah. Boy. First cast, too. Woo! Nope. Drop shot, baby.
3-pounder.
Yeah, he was fighting, bro.
Yeah. That's a rap video. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for the net, bro. Oh my God, he hit that hard, bro. He fought hard for this size, bro. Oh my gosh. Look at that brand new KVD too. Body, baby. Let's go. There it is. Let's keep going. Same spot. I just do it right there on the shoreline. All day long on that drop shot. You said throw the drop shot. Okay. No problem. Hey, bruh, you should have been over here filming that.
Yeah, they live here. Hey, we'll cruise back to this part. And then we'll go back there.
video too. That was sick, bro. Fish on, baby. Fish on, baby. Woo! Yeah. No, on the wacky. On the Cinco. Look at that. I just catch it out where he said. Hey, bro, weightless Cinco, homie. Ooh, he ate this, bro. Hook's all the way down, bro. Look at that. He ate that hook. Look. He wanted that, huh? I'm gonna keep this one, bro. Does it keep it right? Now I'm a believer out here with this wacky. I was losing confidence over there at that tree. Shoot, he ate this, bro. Ooh-wee. Picture with that big one, bro. Compared to those other ones. Fish on, baby. Hey, look at that. Nah, it's a smallie. Hey, it's my first smallmouth, bro. I never caught one of these. Hey, I caught my first smallmouth, bro. Hey, can you eat these or no? Okay. Bro, I never caught one of these, bro. I'm gonna release one of them and keep this one, you know what I mean? You want to keep some too or no? Okay. Look at that. First smallmouth, baby. Small one though, huh? I'm gonna release them. Look at that red eye, bro. It's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and release this guy.